Hello?
Hi Fatima, it's Victor. How are you?
Good, how are you?
I'm good. I was just wondering, is there an update on what's happening with the refrigerator?
I don't know, did my husband come down and look at it?
No, I don't know.
Well, I'll give him a call. I don't know, he's not home right now. When he comes, I'll let him know.
Okay,
I thought he spoke to you, so.
the other issue is there's no electricity in my room.
Okay, maybe it's something from the panel. When he comes home, I'll let him know.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, thanks.
Bye. It's been about a week without having a refrigerator. I spoke to Fatima on the phone last Saturday, and I spoke to her husband, who has poor English, on Sunday in front of the house in the driveway. And yesterday the electricity went out. I don't know if you can hear the banging upstairs, but the noise is just unbearable. November 1st, 12:18 p.m. Oh, looks like my phone didn't record.